Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to convert Excel to PDF without cropping. First of all, open your Excel document and click File, select Print. We can see this page 1, 2, 3. Then avoid this option. We can see no scaling. Then select here and fit sheet on one page. Then click here. Fit all column on page. Again, only selected fit sheet on page. Then selected this sheet on page totally. Okay, and save as. Select your file locations. I select the local or desktop. Fin. We can see PDF format. Then click here. Then OK. Thanks for watching video.